When it comes to downhill skiing, West Virginia, a tiny state, excels. Some of the greatest cities in the Northeastern United States, including Pittsburgh, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, and Richmond, Virginia, are serviced by 3 of the 4 ski areas, namely Snowshoe, Timberline, and Caanan Valley. Winterplace, the 4th resort, is to the south and provides amenities to adjacent smaller towns like Lexington. These 4 resorts are perched high in the Appalachian Mountains to collect any snow that is going to fall nearby. This, along with powerful snowmaking equipment, guarantees that the slopes are well covered both early and late in the season. The resorts have good uphill capacity and offer nice lodging either slopeside or in adjacent cities, making them ideally suited to weekend crowds. In comparison to destinations to the north and west, where on-hill conditions can be bone-numbingly cold, West Virginia ski resorts tend to have mild winter temperatures. This makes West Virginia skiing similar to skiing in North Carolina. For the Mid-Atlantic region, vertical dips are respectable and range from 1,500 feet at Snowshoe to 650 feet at Winterplace. Here are West Virginia's top 4 ski resorts. 1. Snowshoe Mountain. Everyone in your group will be able to choose their favorite run at Snowshoe Mountain because it is actually 3 regions blended into one. You'll all have tales to tell at the conclusion of the ski day, whether you decide to relax in the Snowshoe Basin, explore the Silver Creek region, or down some steep or deep routes in the Western Territory. More than 60 slopes are available at the ski resort, ranging from long blue and green cruisers to some steeper lines and glades skiing that will test even the most daring skier. With over 75% of the runs categorized at green or blue levels, the resort is a great destination for intermediate and beginning skiers. With a drop ranging from 800 to 1,500 feet, 14 lifts will quickly transport you back to the top, and you'll rack up plenty of vertical. The fact that Snowshoe Mountain is situated on 2 of West Virginia's highest peaks means that it always gets a lot of snow. The resort receives 15 feet of snow on average each season, much of it light and fluffy due to the summit's elevation of 4,848 feet. However, the resort doesn't take any chances. It has a top-notch snowmaking system that will more than make up for any shortages caused by Mother Nature. In order to guarantee that the mountain stays entirely white, the resort has spent more than $4 million on new equipment. If Snowshoe doesn't have more snow than any other resort in the southeast, they will give you a free lift ticket for your subsequent trip because they are that confident. Each morning, limitless corduroy can be found across the hill at Snowshoe Mountain, where grooming is taken seriously. There are 5 terrain parks with the newest features simply waiting for snowboarders. There are 12 runs in the Silver Creek region that are available for night skiing if you wish to continue skiing after the sun sets. Head over to the tubing center and slip-slide down the chutes if skiing isn't your thing or your legs are weak from pounding down the hills. The village is waiting after your ski day is through. There are warm, bright patios nearby that are ideal for people watching. If your ski attire appears a little stale, a broad variety of retail stores carry the most recent designs and trends. The resort recently erected a new, upscale eatery named 10 Prime in the Soaring Eagle Lodge and made large expenditures in snowmaking infrastructure. The Snowshoe and Silver Creek region seasons normally begin on November 25th and end on December 18th, respectively, and go through the middle of March. We welcome ICAON pass holders here. 2. Canaan Valley Ski Resort. Smaller ski resort Canaan Valley Ski Resort has a devoted and strong fan base. This is due to the fantastic mix of easy or intermediate terrain and difficult trails. Canaan Valley, located at 4,280 feet on a hilltop, features snowmaking on 75% of the courses and averages slightly over 13 feet of snow each year. The enormous uphill capacity of 6,000 people per hour is made possible by 3 lifts at Canaan, which has a vertical drop of 850 feet. The resort offers a brand new snowboarding park in addition to 47 named trails. The longest snow tubing runs in West Virginia are in Canaan Valley. With a dedicated magic carpet lift and a 1,200-foot runway, you can perform limitless loops. The resort often opens in the second week of December, and both the skating rink and the tubing park are frequently open by Thanksgiving. The Canaan Valley Resort is close by if you wish to stay close to the mountain. Indy Pass holders are welcome here. Timberline Mountain. The ski area at Timberline Mountain is seeing exciting developments. For the 2020-21 season, the mountain has new owners, and over $10 million has been invested on infrastructure upgrades. The two brand new chair lifts, including the fixed grip quad and West Virginia's first detachable, 6-pack, high-speed chairlift, are the most notable upgrades. A surface lift is also anticipated for the ski school lesson area. Skiers will reach the mountain's summit rapidly thanks to these outstanding uphill capacity improvements, ensuring that they can bag record amounts of vertical. The top, which is 4,268 feet high, drops 1,000 feet to the base region, which is 3,268 feet high, creating this vertical. The ski area offers a terrain park and slightly over 40 runs that are geared toward novice and intermediate skiers. Every weekend, there is option of night skiing, allowing you to begin your weekend ski adventure on a Friday night. Timberline features a snowmaking system to help maintain the area snow-free despite only receiving about 13 feet of snow annually. You may ski at Timberline and Caanan Valley Resort in the same weekend because they are close to one another. There are places to stay close to the base or in the nearby town of Davis, which is 15 minutes away. Typically, the resort opens in mid-December and remains open until mid-March. Winterplace Ski Resort. Winterplace Ski Resort is a standalone facility located south of the other three resorts. Although there are only 27 runs at this smaller, more secluded resort, there are an astounding 10 lifts, so there won't be many lines to get you back to the top. A terrain park with the newest features is also accessible for individuals who enjoy spending their time snowboarding. The best place to learn to ski is here. Even the most inept skier can be quickly transformed into a downhill dynamo by a reputable ski school. With a vertical drop of 603 feet and 90 acres of skiable terrain, the ski hill receives slightly under 9 feet of snow annually in addition to 100% snowmaking coverage. There are 5 restaurants at Winterplace, ranging from casual eateries showing continual ski films to cafeteria-style settings. The deck at Winterplace, which is aptly named, is possibly the ideal spot to enjoy the sunshine and see the activity on the hill. 26 of the 27 runs are open for night skiing, which is included in the cost of your day lift ticket. The largest snow tubing park in West Virginia is located at Winterplace, and it is served by 2 surface lifts if you've had enough skiing or if it's not your thing. There are 20 chutes along the 800-foot run. Right off Interstate 77, close to Ghent, sits Winterplace, which is simple to reach. Accommodations can be found either on the hill itself or in nearby Ghent. From the middle of December to the middle of March is ski season. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment to support this channel. Greetings from the world of tourism.